I got it working.
What?
I got it working.
It's not working.
I got it working.
Oh,
Wasn't working yesterday.
that's good. Did you do what Bill told you to do?
No, I did something else.
What'd you do?
The detent valve was stuck, which is the handle up top. When we ran out of gas under load, I released that pressure and it started. I did it. I did it, boys. There she sits. Okay, I came back here last week, ran her, put a little bit of wood, but I didn't check the gas tank. Ended up running out of gas. So I checked the fuel level, because they have a fuel sensor in there. If it's too low, it'll run low, but it won't start low. Checked that, that wasn't it. I took the fuel filter off and put some starter fluid in there. Wouldn't start. Nothing was working for me, so I couldn't get her started. Brand new gas, everything. I thought maybe the carburetor's dirty. I'll get to it later. So I went home, got up this morning, went to work, and yeah, thought to myself today, I wonder if that valve up top needs jiggled. So that's what we're gonna do. Wish me luck. I'll start it over now. Okay, it won't start. What happened was it ran out of gas. It's under load. I've been back here cranking on it and it's don't start. And I even tried starter fluid, everything. So I got to thinking, if it's under load, that detent valve or whatever it's called, I forget, might be stuck. So if I work this handle a little bit, get it out from being under load, we'll see if that'll help. I'm skeptical, but we're gonna give her a shot. Make sure the choke's on, it's on. See what happens. Doesn't sound good, does it? Well, we'll keep trying. You can't tell, I'm a little frustrated with this thing. Well, I thought it was. I think it's a choke now. We'll see. Can you believe that? Let it run for a little bit. Okay, so the full story behind this is yesterday I came back, last Friday. Today is, I don't even know, Wednesday. Hope you can hear me for that. It's pretty far away now. I came back here and I was putting firewood, and might have even been Saturday or Sunday. I don't think so though, because it rained all week. But anyways, came back here and I ran that until it ran out of gas, not realizing it was that low. And then I went yesterday and got some gas, filled it up, and it wouldn't start on me. I thought, well, I checked the oil level. They have an oil level pressure little sensor in there. Oil level was fine. Checked the carburetor. Carburetor was fine. I didn't take it apart to look at it. And then I got to thinking, it was under pressure whenever it shut off, which has never done that to me before. I'm going to say it wrong. I think it's a detent valve. So if you work that handle up top, that relieves that pressure, lets you start your engine. So I spent probably an hour back here yesterday being a numbskull. Everybody shows you great stuff on YouTube. I thought I'd show you a video of what not to do. But well, it did work, but I wish I would have filmed yesterday. Let me turn this off. I wanted to run for a little bit. I wish I would have filmed yesterday of this. You can see all my stuff I have back here. I have the oil starter fluid. That's right, I even used starter fluid. The oil's down there, the funnel. I mean, I was giving her a work over. I'm like, this engine's not that old. A couple years, and this Yard Max has been a great splitter for me. Why isn't it working today? So yeah, I got to thinking, it's probably that valve. Came back, jiggle this top handle right here. A few pulls, it started. Well, you saw. So yeah, it actually worked. I'm shocked. I came back here today thinking this isn't going to work, but we'll give her a shot. Well, it worked. So there's your video. It's a short one today. Thanks, folks. See y'all later. Bye.